Good morning, jungle friends! Today, Barnaby the Crocodile has a very big job to do. Too many teeth. Brushing takes too long.
Good morning, Barnaby. Are you ready to make your smile sparkle?
Pip the frog loved brushing his teeth. It felt like a bubbly game.
But I have so many teeth, Pip. The top ones, the bottom ones, the way in the back ones. I don't know where to start.
It's okay to feel overwhelmed. Let's do it together, one step at a time. First, we need the magic bubble paste. Just a little drop. See? Just a little bit goes a long, long way. Open wide like a roaring lion! Now, little circles on the top teeth.
Round and round.
Like a lion! Ch-ch-ch. Great job! Now for the bottom teeth. Let's sweep away all the sticky sugar bugs. Goodbye, bugs! I am sweeping you away!
Don't forget the way in the back teeth. They work very hard to chew our food.
Oh, right. Thank you, back teeth.
Now for the best part. Swish the water like a washing machine and spit. Splash! Wow, Barnaby!
Your smile is brighter than the sun. It feels so clean. That wasn't hard at all when we did it together.
Brushing our teeth keeps our bodies healthy and strong.
Parents, if your little one brushed along with Barnaby today, please subscribe to Storybook Kids.